The Worcester Railers got back to winning ways this past Friday night with a 5-4 shootout win versus the Adirondack Thunder before falling on Sunday, a score of 6-2. Well, it's an exciting week at the DCU Center this week as the Railers host the Reading Royals for the annual school day game this Wednesday, and then college night on Thursday versus the Brampton Beast. I'm Cam McGuire, and this is your Worcester Railers Weekly Report. All four of the Railers' goals this past Friday night came from different players, as Shane Walsh scored his first goal as a Worcester Railer, and Bo Brower and Ross Olson tallied their first scores of the season. Jordan Samuels-Thomas had arguably the nicest goal of the season, which came in the second period to put the Railers up 3-1. Worcester led 4-2 midway through the third period, but surrendered 2 goals in the final 7 minutes. And after a penalty-filled overtime session, with neither team finding the back of the net, Shane Walsh and J.D. Dudek were able to score in the shootout, while Evan Buitenhuis made 3 saves on 4 shots. Boots was fantastic all night in net as he made a season-high 43 saves and registered his first win of the year. Although it was the same 2 teams in the same building Sunday afternoon, was a different story as the Railers lost for just their 6th time in 17 contests at the Cool Insuring Arena. Cody Payne and Matt Schmaltz were able to pot the goals for Worcester, while Linus Soderstrom made 39 saves on 44 shots in between the pipes in the 6-2 loss. Now, the Railers are expecting over 4,500 children in attendance on Wednesday morning for the annual school day game versus the Reading Royals at 10 a.m. But the fun doesn't stop there as the Railers host the Brampton Beast on Thursday night for college night. Any student with their student ID can present it at the box office and get tickets for just $10. I'm also hearing that there's going to be the largest t-shirt toss ever at a Worcester Pro Hockey game and a chance to win up to $500 in cash. It's also a 2-3-4 weekday game on Thursday. Should be a great week here at the DCU Center, and then the Railers will close out the week in Brampton, Ontario, Sunday afternoon for a 2 p.m. puck drop. You can head to railershc.com for all the information, or you can call 508-365-1750. For the Worcester Railers, I'm Cam McGuire.